These are cloves, and this is clove water. Don't let their small size fool you. This simple drink can help heal your body from the inside out, from your blood and heart to your arteries, intestines, oral health, and even your blood sugar. Clove water is one of nature's most powerful healing tonics. It's loaded with antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that protect your body, boost your immunity, and keep you feeling young and strong. What makes clove water so powerful? It all starts with a compound called eugenol, a natural antimicrobial and antifungal agent found in cloves. Regularly drinking clove water strengthens your body's defense system, protects against harmful bacteria, and lowers your risk of infections. But that's just the beginning. Digestive health. If you often feel bloated or heavy after meals, clove water can help. It stimulates the secretion of digestive enzymes, helping your body break down food more efficiently and absorb nutrients better. It also relaxes the smooth muscles in your digestive tract, relieving gas, bloating, and discomfort while promoting regular bowel movements. It's a natural way to keep your gut calm and your digestion smooth. Anti-inflammatory and joint support. Eugenol in clove water acts like a natural anti-inflammatory. It reduces swelling, eases pain, and improves joint flexibility, especially for people dealing with arthritis or stiffness. A warm cup of clove water daily can make your body feel lighter, looser, and more mobile. Heart and blood vessel health. Your heart will thank you for this one. Eugenol helps relax blood vessels, improves blood flow, and reduces blood pressure, taking unnecessary strain off the heart. It also prevents cholesterol oxidation, one of the main causes of clogged arteries. So, by drinking clove water, you're literally helping your heart pump with less effort. Blood sugar balance. Clove water works like a natural regulator for your blood sugar. It improves insulin sensitivity and enhances glucose metabolism, making it an excellent support for people managing diabetes, insulin resistance, or those simply watching their sugar levels. Oral health and fresh breath. Clove water is one of the best natural mouthwashes you can use. Its antibacterial properties fight oral bacteria, prevent cavities, soothe sore throats, and freshen your breath. Just gargle with it or sip slowly. It's gentle, refreshing, and completely natural. Immunity and overall wellness. Clove water is packed with vitamin C, manganese, and antioxidants, nutrients that strengthen your immune system and help your body recover faster from illness. It protects your cells from oxidative stress, reducing the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and cancer. How to make clove water. It's simple. Add 4 to 8 whole cloves to 1 cup of water. Boil, then let it steep for about 10 minutes. You can strain the cloves or leave them in your choice. Optionally, add a touch of honey for taste. For best results, drink it first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. That's when your body absorbs it most efficiently. You can also sip it throughout the day for continuous benefits. By embracing this small but powerful habit, you'll support your heart, your digestion, your immune system, and your overall well-being. Clove water is a simple daily ritual that can make a huge difference in how you feel from the inside out. So give it a try. Your body will thank you for it. Don't forget to share this with your friends and family, and let me know in the comments how clove water works for you.